Okay, intaman din ni Governor Cecilia Araneta Marcos may panggip apo ti panang assure na nga maited digitoy sweldo on time kadigit empleyado ti provincial government.
monthly breakfast eating para at least fresh pa lang. Yes. And it's nice naman kasi nagkakaroon ng more camaraderie. So, tapos nag-bring pa kami ng mga September-born celebrants. So, yun. So, and maganda po kasi it's a place where they can bring out anything, whatever is in their heart, so that we can help to make us, as the PG family, more efficient.
Isa itong na-discuss yung sweldo.
Of course, yes. Kasi palagi po ang ating mga is nag-delay, ganon. So, I remember po as Vice Governor, yun talaga po ang tinutukan ko sa SE. And at the time, hindi po na-delay. So, ngayon, buong PG naman ang ano ko. Kasi po, I grew up like that. My father always taught me, or he would always say, malate na lahat, wag lang ang sweldo ng mga tao kasi syempre that's their livelihood. So I have kept that in my heart and that's what I always want to do for all the workers. Kasi syempre, ayoko naman na resort pa sila sa mga other means, mga 5, 6, whatever. So, mauubos na yung sweldo nila, hindi pa tapos, diba? So, yun, I have instructed our accounting to do as much as possible na hindi ma-delay. Kasi issues.
Pero ang culprit yata, ma'am, yung mga employees din.
Kung minsan po, meron din po silang mga pagkukulang in submitting their daily time record in PPR. Pero, okay naman. We're trying to work it.
Ma'am, na-mention kayo